So I wanted to share with you what my kind of freedom looks like. That's freedom to me. Knowing that I can stock up my cupboards, not wondering about what I need to stretch for the next week. Stocking up my fridge. Not being terrified of waiting for payday, but knowing that I have enough, more than enough, for my family. Not having to stress about where the next meal is going to come from. That is freedom to me. And this is what I wanted a few months ago. All I was looking for was literally just building an additional stream of income around my 9-to-5 job, around my family. I got sick and tired of stretching every penny until it bled. And this is how I found a program that I could literally just become coachable, show up for 2 hours a day, just implementing a skill that I have learned, promoting 4 done-for-me programs in the e-learning industry that I didn't even have to go and create, but I get to make 100% profit. Not needing any kind of prior experience, but just following a simple to follow blueprint, allowing me to earn a predictable stream of income in US dollars in daily pay. So if you want to learn exactly, and if this is a kind of freedom that you are looking for, then drop a yes in my comments because I'm going to get you this blueprint details.